Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about Keeta Blockchain. We will discuss some important points that will show you that this project has a very strong backing and has potential to become probably the next Solana. Keeta, a high performance layer 1 blockchain, connects traditional finance and DeFi with 10 million plus transactions per second and 400 millisecond settlement times. Now, what is Keeta blockchain trying to solve? So, if we see the traditional financial networks, including SWIFT and correspondent banking system, payments are typically subject to hurdles such as intermediary banks, delays due to time zone differences, and manual regulatory checks, and fees for service provision and currency conversions. So, basically, Keeta blockchain is actually making the whole banking system, the traditional banking system, the payments between the giant companies and even the retails, they are trying to make them online with the fastest blockchain whose transaction finality is under 400 millisecond. To understand how big is what Keeta blockchain is trying to do, let's consider SAP Taulia. So they are basically doing the same thing which Keeta wants to do but on blockchain. So they are SAP Taulia, a supply chain finance platform owned by SAP, one of the largest enterprise software companies in the world. Taulia helps major corporations optimize cash flow, manage working capital, and run global payment systems. Think of SAP Taulia as the financial engine behind global supply chains. The current market capitalization of SAP is $338 billion. So this is how, if we know that the world is moving towards the digitalization, so is the payment system. And Keeta is an early mover, can capture this much of share. So I think this is a very bullish foresight if you understand the concept behind the global payment system. Furthermore, it is backed by the ex-Google CEO who led a $17 million funding in 2023. And even the Google Cloud, the official Google Cloud, wrote an article on the official website about the stress test which Keeta conducted and yield 11 million transactions per second, making it the fastest L1 till now. Interestingly, Donald J. Trump Jr. just followed the Eric Schmidt, which is the Google ex-CEO, and is baking the Keeta blockchain. And Keeta team and Donald J. Trump were recently at the SALT conference in Wyoming. So something is cooking. Moreover, the CEO of Keeta blockchain is not an ordinary guy. He is from the team of nano cryptocurrency. Okay, so if we summarize the whole purpose of Keeta blockchain, so it's basically the settlement of global finance, which are now currently the slow settlement. They have high fees, poor compliance. And what Keeta is bringing lightning speed with 400 milli transaction per second and built-in KYC and plus anti-money laundering softwares and the PCI DSS compliance. So it's making the money transfer, the giant money transfer, reliable, fast, secure, and without any fees. Right now, KTA is trading over $1.22 and with the market cap of 500 million. So I think at this point, with the vision aligned, it is highly undervalued. And if we compare Keeta blockchain and Solana, and if Keeta blockchain ever reached to the point that it captured the market cap of Solana, then from here it will be a 225 times, and the price of one Keeta will be $274. And theoretically, on the testnet, the Keeta blockchain is faster than Solana about 2000 times, and the mainnet is coming soon. So if it provides the same result on the mainnet, I think this will be a huge competitor for the Solana blockchain. So this was all about the Keeta blockchain. I hope you liked the video, and if you make sure to subscribe the channel.